आज पारी खेल रहे हैं अभिषेक शर्मा, पकड़ और मजबूत कर रहे हैं अपनी। इस मैच के ऊपर और मजबूत हो रही है इनकी पकड़। इनकी पकड़ मजबूत होगी तो भारतीय टीम की पकड़ मजबूत होगी। 95 रन चाहिए अब। 104
गेंद को खींचा हल्का सा साइम आयुब ने। सोच सही थी अभिषेक की, लेकिन गेंद हल्का सा दूर रह गया उनसे। गेंद के नीचे आए लेकिन सिर्फ उछाल प्राप्त करे, दूरी नहीं। बड़ा आसान कैच, लेकिन अच्छी पारी अभिषेक जिसकी जरूरी थी।
42 पे 2।
जो एक्चुअली टॉप ऑर्डर बैट्समैन है, लेकिन नई गेंद से अच्छी गेंदबाजी करते। शुभमन गिल को पहले आउट किया और फिर यहाँ पे अभिषेक शर्मा को ऐसा लगा कि वो बहुत दूर वाला शॉट खेल गए। अब यही चैलेंज है ना जो पाकिस्तान के सामने था भारतीय स्पिनर का। यहाँ पे 2 रन की मांग और बिल्कुल बहुत अच्छे से 2 रन। आसम के बहुत बार है, अपील जरूर थी, लेकिन हारिस ने भी कहा पीछे से बहुत बार। यही अजय भाई, यही फर्क होगा काबिलियत। यहाँ पे लेग स्टंप की बाहर गेंद जाता आवाज। स्विच हिट, क्या बढ़िया शॉट तिलक वर्मा का। तिलक वर्मा जो काबिलियत लेके आते हैं, ये शॉट देख।
और पहला ही गेंद है, एक गेम में कंट्रोल कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे। गेंदबाज आया है, उन्हें पता है कि कोशिश कहाँ होगी। अभी सिर्फ 2 फील्डर बाहर और वो स्पिन के क्या कंट्रोल में लिया है गेम को। पहले एक रिवर्स स्वीप, फिर दुक्की बैकफुट से, फिर वो आगे आए तो इस बार लॉन्ग ऑफ के ऊपर से। कंट्रोल इतना है।
ये आखिर
नहीं सीखता है आदमी।
और
all one way. Third man. Shot again, had to wait on it. It's the end of the 9th. Mukim, and he's been greeted. He's been greeted in style. That has got. Saw him out the first and sent it the distance. Saw that it was a leg spinner. Wasn't going to spin too much. Pick the screws out of that one, Tilak. Height and distance in that one. Down the ground. And that's batsmanship for you. Cut away. Too easy. Lovely shot. Back cut. Waited on it. Yeah, not much wrong with that delivery. But the class of Suryakumar Yadav. There. And hung on the front foot. Then let the ball come past him. And punched it hard. Again, picked the fact that it was a top spinner. Yeah.
Yeah, on a personal sweep shot, just a single. Will be that Pakistan face. And Mohammad Nawaz just bowled that one. Yeah, just back foot punch, easy. And 3-4 grabs that it and it's floored. Normal service just turns it away, leg side.
We have played EV for leg before on field. Straight line. Roll it back. Roll it back. 1 frame more. Umpire call. Wickets missing. Stay with your original decision, Ruchi. Stand by. You're on screen signal now.
Yeah, the correct.
Third wicket, pick of the bowlers for Pakistan. With the angle came in and a bit of turn, he missed it completely, off stump gone. Stunning delivery, and he's shocked. He himself is shocked, the batter, Tilak.
Well bowled Wasim.
1 wickets in hand.
And credit must go.
Get a wicket, but that didn't happen. And in the end, boundary for India. It was up in the air for a while, then it tipped just before, went under his hands. 105 now.
Should drive it to the covers more than cut.
He waited, It was a quicker delivery. He waited, and then he played that particular shot behind this point and the cover fielder on the boundary.
The fielders are where he'll get maximum runs.
The square. That's the control of Surya Kumar Yadav. Look at this. He knew the fielder is behind. Put by Afridi there, but in vain.
In the tournament. Then he cuts one. There's a shout for leg before.
And they did.
Well, he's gone for it. It's a big one. And it's long as well. What a way to finish this match. Surya Kumar Yadav moves on to 47 not out. India once again have made short work of Pakistan.